Iona Island in Richmond is where land and sea meet one of the most vital salmon rivers in the world. It provides habitat for the largest number of bird species in BC. It's also home to one of Metro Vancouver's regional parks, Iona Beach. And it's where Metro Vancouver proposes to launch one of its most ambitious ecological restoration projects, as the Iona Island Wastewater Treatment Plant prepares to move to a higher level of treatment.
The island that we're standing on is set within the Fraser River estuary. The whole island is really environmentally rich and important and sensitive.
Estuaries are ecosystems where fresh water and salt water mingle and shift along with the changing of the tides. This creates the conditions for a diverse variety of species to thrive and grow.
One of the most special things about Iona Island is that it has all these different habitats in such close proximity. We have the ocean of the Salish Sea on one side, we have the Fraser River coming on the other side, and then we also have these terrestrial environments like the coastal sand dune ecosystem, which is a red-listed ecosystem in BC, and we have riparian upland habitat as well.
This estuary is a crucial resting place for Fraser River salmon, which is essential for their health.
And it also provides a sort of refuge for animals in transition. So, for example, salmon that need to adjust to a saltwater life as they move into the ocean. The main species that we're concerned with in this particular part of the estuary is the Chinook salmon, because the Chinook salmon need that transition time the most.
On land, the area's coastal sand dune ecosystem is equally unique. It's home to plants that support sand dune creatures, and the park is also a destination for birders from around the globe.
It's a really important part of the migratory flyway for birds, so it has this kind of constant stream of different types of birds using the area, many of which are at risk in BC.
Within the park, over time, we found more than 300 bird species. Those are both birds that migrate and also resident birds that spend their time here.
Iona Island Wastewater Treatment Plant is surrounded by Iona Beach Regional Park. Both are managed by Metro Vancouver. The plant was built mostly in the 1960s, and planning is underway to upgrade the plant over the next 20 years.
The Metro Vancouver team's been working hard to develop the concept ideas for both the plant and also the ecological areas around the plant. One of the main ways that the new plant will really support the ecosystem is to improve water quality.
Guiding the planning for the new plant are the concepts of connect, protect, and restore. Restoration projects will include restoring the coastal sand and wetland habitats. The 4 large sludge lagoons near the wastewater treatment plant, which currently hold material for biosolids, could be transitioned to wetlands for birds and salmon. Restoration could also see the causeway leading to the wastewater treatment plant replaced by a bridge. This could restore the natural flow of the river through mudflats to the ocean.
And so allowing those connections can help improve the salmon conditions, which will hopefully help as well with the killer whales that are already stressed. So Iona plays a really big part in being able to restore those connections that everybody that loves the park, whether they're birders or recreational people or people that love salmon, everybody agrees that this is a really important thing for this particular project.
Ecological restoration projects for the Iona Island Wastewater Treatment Plant project are currently in the planning stage.